What's your plan of action? I'm gonna scoop it up onto the rake, dump it in here.
You're gonna pick it up with a rake? Like the rake is a shovel?
Yeah. Then dump it in here.
It was on the bag.
And bring it immediately to the trash can.
What's in the trash can? Ew, there's like stuff in that bag.
It's just ice.
Are you sure you thought this through?
Alright. I don't want to think this is that's the point.
And what are we picking up?
These are all squirrels.
And what are we picking up? That's why the dogs love it out here.
Oh. Okay.
And what are we picking up?
It's some sort of bird.
What kind of bird?
I don't know. It's a small
When's
one.
the big reveal?
Don't freak out.
I might. Ew. I'm gonna freak out that you're using a rake, to be honest with you.
Okay, I'm doing it with my eyes closed, so I don't know how long it's gonna
No.
take.
Open your eyes. Go get it. Just do it! Move it. Come on. Oh, what do you mean it died? It's like bloody. Gross.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, it's only half a bird. Are you sure that's not just a feather?
No, I see a bloody body.
Oh. Gross.
We're gonna find the rest of it.
Oh, what do you mean? I wish you didn't say I don't know how it died when it's like half a bird. I hope Jeff wasn't responsible for this.
I know that's what I'm worried about.
Well, if it was, then it means the bird got down on his level. And that's the bird's fault. Oh, jeez. I knew this rake would be a problem.
Come on.
Come on, kid.
Scoop it.
Come on, kid.
Scoop it.
Uh.
I think I have asthma. I'm gonna hook it to the wing.
Oh, it's like playing the claw game.
It's exactly like that.
Just don't flick it up at me.
Drop.
Oh my god. You are a savant.
It's a master claw game.
Wow. That was the biggest one you've ever played.
Drag.